Hello everyone, today I want to show you guys this sponsored product I got from Crave. This is really cool looking wireless earphone. It goes behind your neck, so over here you can see the way it looks. I just wanted to open and show you guys what you get inside the package. As soon as you open, you get this informations like how it works. It has magnets, and the charging goes about like 8 hours running time, so that is really cool. So once you open the package, you get this Crave bag for your accessories, for extras part. You can just store them inside without losing. And you have this micro USB charging. So you can see here, this is micro USB, and you have some user guide, user manual. You can just follow through the instructions, get familiar with it, but it is easy to use. So let's take this out and see how it looks like. So once you take it out from the package, you can see it has magnet. This is a feature. Once you touch it like this, it will just turn it off. Once you separate, it will turn on the unit. So over here you have this operation buttons. You have play, volume up, volume down, and over here you have the charging port. It's a little bit tidy. So this is how you charge. You would just charge it from here, and it goes behind your neck, and you can use this to just secure it. So, and the other nice thing is you can directly use this in your ear, or if you feel that it's not comfortable, it's coming off, you can use this additional accessories, and you can just customize it and make it like a snuggle fit ear. So this is how it would look. Once you put it in place, you would just try and look would be like this. It will just go into the loop, and it will just keep it in securely. So overall, really cool looking earphones. I'm going to put in test, but I just wanted to show you guys what you get inside the package. And also, let's say you just don't want to use this and you just fine with this piece, and if it feels small, you can just use these like small, medium, and large. It's very easy to just replace. You just take it out and just take the other piece, and you just push it inside, and that's it, you are done. So you change the size. So overall, really nice, cool looking. I like the magnet feature as well. So I hope you guys will enjoy it. I'm going to have another video after I put it in test, listen some music, watch movie, and then I will let you guys know with the next video. Thank you for watching.